Hello friends, welcome back to my channel once again. I hope everybody is having a blessed day. In today's video we are here to cook authentic Ghanaian roadside buff fruit, that is wet puff puff, and is the same as Nigerian's recipe. So guys, this is very good for your quarantine season, especially now the kids are at the house right now. This is the perfect to make it for them. So please come with me and let's start cooking. So first we need all-purpose flour. So I'm going to use this cup. This is 1 cup 250 ml. It is really good for this measurement, so please make sure you use the exact measurement that you see in this video. So I am going to add 4 cups of all-purpose flour. If you don't like yeast, you can use self-raising flour as well. Next, I am going to add a half teaspoon of salt. I'm going to grind some nutmeg, so this will be about 1 teaspoon of nutmeg. If you don't have this one, you can use the grounded one already. Okay, so go ahead and mix all the dry ingredients together, and after that we are going to set it aside. So come back to our wet ingredients. So I am going to add warm water. So I'm using the same cup that I used to measure my flour. That is the same one I'm going to use for the water. So I'm adding 2 cups of warm water right here. So next, I am going to use evaporated milk. In Ghana, if you have ID milk, that will be perfect. So I'm going to use 1 cup of milk. Next, I am going to add my yeast. I'm using instant yeast. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of instant yeast. I'm adding pineapple flavor to my buff fruit recipe this time because it gives it a very nice flavor when you add it. And also add just a pinch of vanilla extract. And I'm using agave syrup. So if you like sugar, you can use any sugar of your choice. So I'm adding about a half cup of sugar and mix it really well. Like I said, if you like sugar, you can use it. If you like brown sugar, please feel free and use it as well. So after we mix our wet ingredients, you're going to add the dry, and we are going to mix them really well. So I'm using this. If you don't have that, you can use your hands. Please feel free, wash your hands and then use it to mix your ingredients. And then the buff fruit here, me say that woman chai just say ebe ma ni gie abafie ye pa esan say buff fruit here, everybody likes it. Every West African family likes it. So this is what we are making. So thank you so much for watching with me today. I really appreciate you guys. So next, I am going to cover it, and then I'm going to leave it on to double in size. So to be able to tell that this is done, of course you have to let it double in size. So after we set this aside, we're going to turn our stove on. So I'm using a low medium heat. That is what we are using to add. So make sure you add all your oil. This is going to eat a lot of oil because that's how puff puff is. So I let it sit for about 35 minutes, and as you can see, it has doubled in size, and this is the perfect texture or the consistency. This is how I want it. As you can see, it is dancing, it is so stretchy, and it is very sticky. So that's how I want it. And now it is time to fry our buff fruit because it is looking really nice. So now we're going to fry our puff puff. So you can just make it however way you want it. If you want it to fry it like in the big pieces, feel free and do so. Because buff fruit is just make a childhood memory. I remember when I used to go to school, my mom was a school teacher and she always buys me buff fruit whenever we go